What's up, everybody? Got another hard reset for you. We're going to do one on a FoxxD A67M. A little bit different than the A67L, and there's a couple of different variants of it, but obviously it looks different and it is different. A little bit bigger too. But if you have one of these and you forgot your password or pattern or whatever it might be, and you got to do a hard reset to delete all the data and start fresh, this is how we do it. First, we got to turn off the phone, but we have our volume buttons, volume up, volume down, and power right there. So let's turn off the phone first, hold the power button, and we'll power it off. There it goes, it's off. And what we want to do is you want to hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time. I'll do it from this angle so you guys can see a little bit better, but I'm going to start by holding volume up and then hit the power button. Once the phone turns on, you can let go of the power, but keep holding volume up. Then it gets into the no command menu. To get out of this into the actual recovery, we want to hold power and tap volume up, and that will bring up our reset options. And we want to scroll down with the volume buttons and scroll down to wipe data factory reset. The power button is our enter button, so we hit that. Then we use the volume buttons again to confirm, hit enter again, and now the phone is resetting. That was a pretty quick reset. So once it goes back, you have the option of powering it off or just rebooting it. We'll just reboot it by hitting enter again on this side. And now the phone will load back to the main screen or home screen, and you can navigate it to the home screen and set it back up again. So this is how you do a hard reset on a FoxxD A67M. If you guys have any questions or comments or any phones that you're having issues with, just drop a comment and I'll try to get that up for you. Otherwise, if you can like, share, subscribe, and do what you got to do, we'd always appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks.